हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, टॉक मैथ्स चैनल पर महेश्वरी सर नए वीडियो के साथ। आज इसमें हम बताएंगे आपको मैट्रिसेस में जो मैंने प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मैट्रिसेस बताया था एल्जेब्रा ऑफ मैट्रिसेस में एडिशन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन। तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ टू मैट्रिसेस उससे रिलेटेड एक दो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, वो एक दो प्रॉब्लम्स डिस्कस करेंगे सो दैट you can know that how can we multiply two matrices by different questions. First question is, if f of x is cos x minus sin x 0 sin x cos x 0 0 0 1, then show that fx into fy equal to f of x plus y. Now in this we multiply this left hand side. We take left hand side fx into fy. So what fx is? It is a matrix of order 3 by 3. Sin x cos x 0 0 0 1. This is a matrix of order 3 by 3. Similarly fy will also be a matrix of order 3 by 3. In place of x, we write y, cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0, 0 0 1. Nothing so difficult is there. Simply multiplication. We must keep in mind that we multiply like this. We take row of first matrix and column of second matrix. We keep multiplying their corresponding terms and keep adding. तो वीडियो पॉज करके you try to solve yourself. उसके बाद फिर ऑन करके सॉल्यूशन देंगे. Now when we multiply, we take first row and first column. First row, second column. First row, third column. Like this, we will get the first three terms of first row of the resulting matrix. Now when we multiply, it is cos x cos y, first term with first term, then sin minus sin x into sin y, that is minus sin x sin y 0, multiply 0, need not to write it. Then second term will be first row and second column. It is minus cos x sin y, then minus sin x cos y plus 0. First row, second column, corresponding terms. Then first row, third column. Cos x multiplied to 0, 0. Sin x multiplied to 0, 0. 0 multiplied 1, 0. So instead of writing 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is meaningless. Simply I write 0. So this is first row. Now coming on to the second row. Second row multiply first column. Second row, second column. Second row, third column, like this. So sin x cos y plus cos x sin y plus 0. Need not to write 0. Then second row, second column, minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y plus 0. Then second row, third column, again 0. Cos x multiplied 0, 0 multiplied 1, 0. Then coming to the third row, multiply first column, 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. Third row, second column, 0 plus 0 plus 0. Then third row, third column, 0 plus 0 plus 1. Now, this is first term, second term. I can take minus common. So we find that this is the formula of cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B. That is cos of A plus B. So it becomes cos of x plus y. This is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. That is sin of A plus B. Minus is already there. minus sine of x plus y and 0. Then sine a cos b plus cos a sine b, again sine of a plus b, cos a cos b minus sine a sine b, that is cos of a plus b. Then next is 0 and third row is 0, 0, 1. So it is cos of x plus y minus sine of x plus y 0, sine of x plus y, cos of x plus y 0, 0, 0, 1. So it is f of x plus y. That is our right hand side. So this is the simple multiplication of two matrices. Now let us do more practice by taking this next question. In the next one also you have to multiply like this. In question number 2, we have to find a square minus 5a plus 6i if a is given this. Now when only matrix A is given and we are going to find the value of this expression, then it is understood that I will be of the same order, of the order 3 by 3, whether it is given in the question or not. Then it is understood. There may be written like this, I3. I3 means I is the identity matrix of order 3 by 3. So first we will find a square, that is a into a. After doing 2-3 problems, you will be able to write add directly. Then you need not to write 2 to the 4 plus 0 minus 1. You can directly solve. This is first row, first column. 2 to the 4 plus 0 plus 1. So better you put one finger on this row and one finger on this column, so that you can move after each element. First, second, because sometimes the mistake when we multiply 2, so we keep multiplying 2 with each term. Here we have to move to the next term, and in this also. So 2 to the 4 plus 0 plus 1, 5. Then first row, second column, 0 plus 0 minus 1. Then first row, third column, 2 plus 0 plus 0. Second row, first column, 4 plus 2 plus 3. 4 plus 2 plus 3 will be 9. It's simply simple addition. There may be some mistake, so later on you can check also. 0 plus 1 minus 3. 2 plus 3 plus 0. 2 minus 2 plus 0. 0 minus 1 plus 0. 1 minus 3 plus 0. This I have written. There may be some mistake in adding it. So again you can check this. It's 2 to the 4 plus 0 plus 1, 5. Then minus 5a. Minus 5a, it is a scalar multiplication of a matrix with minus 5. So it will be minus 5 times 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1 minus 1, 0. It will be minus 10, 0, minus 5, minus 10, minus 5, minus 15, minus 5, 5, 0. And then 6i. 6 times identity matrix. So it is 6, 0, 0, 0, 6, 0, 0, 0, 6. So we can find the value of this expression. It is 5 minus 1, 2. 9 minus 2, 5. 0 minus 1 minus 2. Plus minus 5a, because minus 5a means plus minus 5a. So it is minus 10, 0, minus 5, as I have already multiplied with minus. Minus 10, minus 5, minus 15, minus 5, 5, 0. Plus 6i. 6, 0, 0, 0, 6, 0, 006. You can add the terms in one attempt if your calculations are good. Otherwise, you just add these two, then add this. So 5 plus 6, 11. 11 minus 10 is 1. Minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1. 2 minus 5 plus 0 is minus 3. 9 minus 10 plus 0 is minus 1. Minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7 plus 6 is minus 1. 5 minus 15 is minus 10. 0 minus 5 plus 0 gives you minus 5. Minus 1 plus 5 plus 0 gives you 4. Minus 2 plus 0 plus 6 gives you 4. So this is the value of this expression a square minus 5a plus 6i. Now what happens? Sometimes it is asked that find the value of a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 4i, like this expression in which a cube is involved. Similarly, after finding this a square, you can find a cube. What a cube will be? A into a square. Or you can write a square into a, because I have already told you product of three matrices, multiplication of three matrices is associative. It follows the associativity. This is one type in which you can be asked to find this value or equal to something, equal to null matrix प्रूव करने को आ सकता है. सेम क्वेश्चन इसको इस फॉर्म में भी लिख देते हैं कभी कभी. फाइंड f of a if fx is x square minus 5x plus 6. If a is a matrix like this, a एक मैट्रिक्स दे दिया, ये मैट्रिक्स दे दिया और कह दिया फाइंड fa if fx is this. When fx is this, पूछा गया हमसे fa, so we will write fa equal to what will be fa? A square minus 5a plus 6i, because we are adding the matrices. So 6 is a constant, it cannot be added, so it will be 6 times identity. So this, the same expression can be asked in this form. So like this, these are very simple questions. इन क्वेश्चंस की जितनी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतनी ज्यादा एक्सपर्ट हो जाएंगे. और इसमें गलती क्या हो सकती है? गलती बस वही प्लस माइनस की हो सकती है. कि हो सकता है इसमें भी मैंने ये ऐड किया है, कहीं कोई प्लस माइनस की गलती, सिंपल यही मिस्टेक हो सकती है. अदरवाइज इसमें कोई मिस्टेक नहीं होनी है. दैट कैन बी रिमूव्ड बाय मेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस करें क्वेश्चंस की, खूब सारे क्वेश्चंस की प्रैक्टिस करें. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इससे आगे के टॉपिक के साथ.